recording right now.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Here we go. No power. Flaps. You see it go up.
Uh-huh.
No flaps. I can't land it. It's real windy.
Yeah.
Alright, flaps. No flaps. Alright, and flaps. Plane goes up. About when to land. Make another approach. No power. Flaps on. Flaps.
Oh.
Oh, I gave it some more power. Ah! In the ditch. Let me know when you're okay. No flaps. Flaps. Flaps a little early this time.
Nice.
Wait, I gotta get over here.
Uh-oh.
Power off. Waved off on that one. Wow, it does make it go slow. No power, full flat. Wind's about, what, 10 miles an hour? 8? It's a little gusty. Full flaps the whole time. No power right now, no power. Get away from the soccer thing.
Oh.
Alright, ready?
Go.
Full flap. No power. Watch out, cameraman. Full flap. Actually, there's a little crosswind is what it is.
Oh.
Alright, we're going to do a downwind full flap. If I don't lose it in the sun. Alright, no power. Downwind. Watch out, cameraman. And we hit the ditch. Full flap. No power. Uh-oh, lost it in the sun. No power. Alright, flat. No power. Straight into the wing.
Oh.
Alright, no power. Flat.